Yes. I'm here looking at the Nasdaq. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. Just give me a second. Get stuff right here. All right, so we have here. Let me go to my 1 minute. So most likely, I'm looking probably the market probably gonna turn down, but we do have a possible trend line situation here. Okay, so we'll see how the market reacts to that, to the trend line. Let me see what I got in my 1 minute. Oops, I have to make a long. Oh man, I'm late on this trade. Sheesh. I'm super late on this trade. Alright, well, what's going to happen is I'm looking for a potential up move to the highs. Let's see if we get it. If we can't get it to the highs, I will close out. There we go. Okay. Oh man, this thing is acting real good. Oh, there we go. Voila. My first trade. Looking good. And sometimes I hate doing these live streams because I'm not sometimes I'm so late when I come online that I'm not even like set up yet. Okay, so I wasn't even watching the chart. I'm making sure that the live stream, everything is up and ready. So next time I do a live stream, I have to make sure I'm like 15 minutes early. All right, so we had support right at that trend line. Very simple, straight to the point. It's just straight to the point. Nothing I can say. I'm not trying to sound smart or anything like that. That was just straight to the point. Some people trying to make everything sound all complicated and try to make themselves sound smart. A lot of times when you take these trades, it's straight to the point. Now some days you have to you do have to understand the structure of the market. Okay, you do. I will never tell you that trading is 1, 2, 3 easy like that. Okay, but I will tell you that if you understand the structure of the market, there's a lot of money out here. Make sure that I can hear myself. Make sure I can hear myself. Let me see. Yep, I think I can hear myself. Yep, I think I can hear myself. All right, so we have sellers coming in. Let's see what's going on in my 1 minute chart. Yeah, that was a possibility. Definitely was a possibility. All right. I might just go in straight here, but I gotta make sure not. This resistance right here is too heavy right now. I wouldn't mind taking a quick long right here just to get a quick move, but right now, that resistance is definitely bothering me. I thought about taking a short right here, but I wasn't too sure the way it bounced off this trend line. Yeah, whatever. I'm not worried about that. I'm just gonna wait. Let's see what we have here. I'm outside in my backyard, so if you hear some birds or anything like that, that's why. So right now, what I'm looking at is, it's a situation where I wouldn't mind going long, but I need probably more confirmation, and plus I'm seeing resistance right here. So if you notice, okay, let's go right here. You notice right here, okay, this is the area where price is actually having trouble around, right? So we hit it one time, hit it again, and then we sold off. So that's twice right there. So I'm like, all right, twice. Maybe I shouldn't, take any longs right now. So we might break down as a possibility. We can go back to the lows. We'll see. Okay, this might be a nice little trend line break. Go to the lows, and then, like I said, I have to play this and make sure I see what these guys are trying to do. I'm trying to follow the smart money. See what these guys want to do. Like, yes, this would be a nice sell right there. But me personally, I didn't want to take it right away. So let's see what the market wants to do. Most likely it's going to probably continue to go back down. Look at the 4 minute. The 5-minute. Let's see what's going on here. All right, let's see what's going on. So yeah, most likely we probably will continue to go back to the lows. I'm gonna look at my daily chart real quick. Yeah, so there's a possibility we can sell off a little bit, you know, nothing too crazy. Yesterday was a nice little bullish day, so we might have probably a range day today. Alrighty. So the market is pretty much weak right now. Let's see overall if they go for the lows. Most likely they will. Yesterday was a very bullish day, straight to the point, up, 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 up. Today is looks like a possibility of a range day. We might have some support right here. I'm not too sure yet. Definitely finding some buyers around here, but that's not good enough for me yet. I'll probably still look for shorts. The sellers came in real good right here, so I'll probably look for shorts. And lately I've just been trading light. I've been trading light with one contract because it's the end of this year. Trying to, basically keep it safe. I'm looking to go back, with more contracts in the beginning of the year. But trading, is definitely a good skill to have, because it's something that allows you to work wherever. The thing with trading though is it's so easy to press buy and sell. All right, that's the thing with trading. So you will have a lot of people in general come in here thinking that they know everything about the markets, and since it's so easy to press buy and sell, okay, these guys will lose a lot of money because they don't want to take the time and to, take the time to study and take the time to just take it easy. All right, like you don't really have to go live that soon. And even if you do go live, especially with the futures, or even with the Forex, even with Forex, you can still risk, $10 per trade. But what happens is most people want to rush. So they come in here, they let the smart money play with their emotions, and they lose a whole bunch of money because they're risking too much, right? And then, these guys quit. Number one, they don't have proper education. They don't even know, they don't understand anything. And then they want to come in here and make money because they think they saw one video on YouTube and now they are a professional trader. It's crazy. This is like any other business, guys. You have to, know what you're doing. Right now, the market is selling off. I thought about, taking a sell right here, but right now we're getting too close to the lows. So we'll see. I'm looking for a better setup than this, but I think it's going to just continue to go down without me, and I'm okay with that. All right. The sellers are in play. And another thing with most traders is, every system is based on trend trading. If you notice that, right? Every system is based on trend trading. And you no wonder why most people lose when it comes to day trading or trading at, in general. Most people think that swing trading is much safer than day trading. It's not. The thing is, you can actually lose your money quicker. So that's the only difference is the the speed that you're losing you're losing your money, right? You can actually lose your money much quicker with day trading. But if you don't know what you're doing, you're still gonna lose money regardless. If you're swing trading, it doesn't matter if you're using the daily charts, the weekly chart. It doesn't matter. Don't you understand that? If you don't know, you just don't know. So just because you're using a higher time frame doesn't make you a better trader, or it doesn't increase your accuracy. You still don't know. If that was the case, everybody will be swing trading and making boatloads of money. Right? That's not the case. The case is you don't understand the markets, right? Like I said before, let's go back to why most people, okay, well, I would say there's multiple reasons why most people fail. Okay, you can't really, I hate when people only give you one reason why most people fail, because there's, it's impossible, to give you one reason why most people fail. There's multiple reasons, okay, but one of the big reasons, why most people fail, okay, is they focus on trend trading. The market doesn't trend that often, okay? Maybe 20% of the time, 30% of the time. And then you lose your money when the market is choppy, and you use the word choppy or noise. That's the vocabulary most these retailer traders use. noise, right? Chop, whatever the case is, because they don't understand it. They think that it's some type of random, situation where you can't figure out how to make money in those conditions. But you have to know how to extract money, even if the market is ranging. Okay, you have to. If not, you're done. I'm trying to, you can tell the market is slowing down a little bit, but it could, blast down, real quick. Let me see if we hit the lows yet. No, we didn't hit the lows, so we can blast down to hit the lows. I'm just looking for a better setup right now. I saw, this could have been a quick sell right here. I don't want to sell this right now. Definitely right here is a quick sell. You can tell that the market is so weak. I could probably almost guarantee you we're going to probably hit these lows right here. All right, probably going to go right back to these lows. Okay, you can tell smart money is bringing this. It looks like the smart money wants to bring this market down. But everything is about trend trading. That's why you get some people, they will go on a winning streak for maybe, a couple of weeks or a couple of months, and then all of a sudden you see these guys blow up because it was based on a trending, market. I might take this breakout right here. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna take the breakout. Not yet. I'm gonna be a little patient. Let's see if they want to pull back some more. Could this be support right here? That's a possibility. This could be support right here. The way it's looking, okay, I need more confirmation. It's just looking weak. So we'll see. I wonder if it's 10 o'clock news. If it's 10 o'clock news, I definitely want to take that breakout. Yes, this market looks very weak. Looks like the smart money is trying to trap the buyers and go down one more time. I would love to take this breakout, but I want to be patient a little bit. It's okay. It's not the best setup, but I definitely see a decent breakout if it goes below. Okay, it hits a new low right here. definitely see a possibility of a decent scalp. Me personally, I'm probably going to just wait for a little bit more confirmation. I'm okay. Like I said before, I'm okay if I miss out. Yep, that this move right here is definitely looking so juicy right now. We could probably get a nice little scalp out of that one. Nice little scalp. All right. Yeah, I think it is news on. I think it is news at 10 o'clock. I think it is news at 10 o'clock. It might just, the news might just shoot this bad boy down. We'll see. So, man, trust me, I want to take this trade, but it's all good. I'll wait. 10 o'clock, I believe we have some news coming in. We'll see how this news react to this. I don't know if it's big news or not. But so far, everything is definitely looking weak. Okay, now can it pop from here? We'll see. We'll see. 10 o'clock is coming in soon, so let's see. There we go. At 10 o'clock. There we go. 10 o'clock. Let's see. 10 o'clock is gonna push this baby down. They probably want to fish for some stops. We'll see. It's possible they probably want to fish for some stops. But I tell you right now, I'm not a buyer right now. I'm not a buyer right now. I need more confirmation. Definitely not a buyer right now. Definitely need more confirmation. This is really nothing for me. I might actually take, if they go back down, I might actually take that short. All right, I might take that short if they go back down. But, like I said, if they push this market up, okay, we will see if they will have problems, around this area right here. But this is not, not good enough right now for me. So the market was slowing down around here, okay? So definitely slowing down. We had a fell breakout right here. Pop, nice little pop. So you definitely do have, confirmation. I wouldn't say confirmation, but you definitely have, signs of buyers trying to come in. I'm still not convinced yet, and I might take a short soon. We'll see. But if buyers push this up, okay, then definitely will start to look for shorts. I mean longs. I'm not one of those guys that's going to basically, be biased for the whole day. So if we just definitely, if we continue to get buyers, then yeah. But overall, right now, things are looking shaky, and I might take a short, even if I get, this, we'll see. Because if you think about this right here, it's a support, but this was a nice break, so, we'll see. Strong possibility I might take a short soon. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. I'm gonna take it short. If I get stopped out, I'm cool with that. All right, we're gonna go for these lows right here. Now, if it goes up, right here, okay, that means that the buyers is coming in, and then most likely I'll probably have to adjust my bias and look for longs, which is okay. I'm not, I don't really, at this stage right now, I don't really care about losses. I just want to follow the major direction and follow the smart money. So they might come back to this area right here. Definitely might come back to this area right here because, definitely I'm seeing buying coming in. So this is a possibility we might get stopped out on this one, which is okay. So they might yank this back up to here. And then when we come around here, I want to see how it reacts to this area right here. Definitely want to see how it reacts to that area. Hopefully we get some sellers coming in, but it definitely looks like the buyer is trying to push this up once again. Come back to this area right here, which is very doable. So I'm gonna take a quick loss off this right here. So this area right here, all right. Look at this area right here. Definitely, you can tell support is right here. Definitely, you can tell. I mean, resistance right here. Right. Definitely, you can tell resistance right there. So when it comes to this area, I want to see how it reacts. I'm not gonna look to take a short order, right away. So many signs that it's a possibility resistance could be right there. Let me show you. So many signs. So we can definitely find resistance right here. Like I said, I'm gonna see how price reacts to that area. Okay. I don't think I don't think these guys probably want to continue to sell. I think they're still going to continue to go up. You can tell. So I'm gonna take my first loss for the day, and I might. It all depends. Okay, might look for some longs if I see a reason to look for it. I think they want to come to this area right here. So we might have a just a ranging day. We have the market going up, down, up, down. They could possibility they can even go back to the high. If anybody have any questions, let me know. I don't know if anybody's watching. I think a couple of people are here. All right, I might take a short right here again. I might take a loss on this, but I'm okay. Taking this short. Oops, I went in too quick. But there we go. Let me get out because I was supposed to get in underneath. Sheesh, I got in so quick. Alright, let me go underneath. I wanted to go underneath this bar right here. I pressed the button by mistake. Goodness gracious. So if it goes underneath here, I'll take the sell. If not, whatever. So it looks like a possibility we will hit that area right here. And once price gets to this area, I want to see how it reacts. Buys are looking decent right now. Definitely looking decent. The more I'm looking at this, I think that this might be a reversal, and we probably bring it right back to the highs. So let me get out right here. Let me get out that. Alrighty, so I might be looking for long soon. I just want to see how the resistance right here is. Looks like we're going to have some type of pullback right here. But definitely gonna look for some longs, because the buys are definitely looking strong so far. But definitely we can find resistance right here. Strong possibility. We can find resistance over here. But I'm not banking on that right now. Let's see what these other markets are doing. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold. Gold had a nice little selling off right quick. Crude oil. Let's see what crude oil is doing. Crude is going straight up. Crude has been very, very slow lately. That's why I've been trading the Nasdaq. It's just grinding up higher. I believe we were probably going to go for these highs right here. Overall, I don't know exactly if it wants to continue to go higher, but it's definitely looking like it wants to go higher. This right here, I wouldn't mind going long right here. It's just, I wouldn't mind going long right here on a limit order, but I'll wait. I'll wait. I think going long right here on the limit orders is definitely doable, but I'll wait. I will definitely wait. Well, even the Nasdaq is pretty slow right now. Let me see the VIX. The VIX is at the VIX. What is the VIX doing? Last time I checked, the VIX is the VIX is at like 12, high 11s. That is absolutely garbage. Very slow. But, you can still make money. So we're getting some type of, it's definitely getting weak, but I think they want to push it up a little bit more. I wouldn't be a seller right here, not yet. I wouldn't mind buying right here, but not yet either. Okay, all right. Sellers is trying to come in. But I think, like I said, I think this is a buy right here. We'll see. We will see. This wedge right here is looking juicy. It's definitely looking juicy. I wouldn't mind buying right here on a limit, but I don't know if it's going to let me. I wouldn't mind buying on a limit. Let's see if I could buy somewhere on a limit here. I don't think we're going to go straight down. Support is kind of heavy. So 150. If I get 150, I'll buy on the limit. If I get that, but if not, whatever. You might not get that. But this is a nice little drop right here. See, I wanted to get that limit order, but it definitely didn't go here. So what I'm going to do is cancel this. That would have been a lovely trade right here. A nice little limit order trade. But it didn't go to my spot. Definitely they can probably go a little bit higher. And this type of buying right here tells me it's a strong possibility we can blow past this resistance. Or we can, we'll see. We'll see how they react to it. Buys are coming real good. Real good. Lovely. You see how they trapped the sellers? They shot right up. And that was my thinking right there. I wanted to trap the sellers, but they didn't come deep enough. I want to do it on a limit. All right. I wonder if I should take a possible short right here. But this market looking very, 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 very bullish. I was thinking about taking that short. That's too late now. Look for a better setup. I'll wait. I'll look for a better setup. Definitely want to take a short right here, though. If I can't get it, I would try to get it on a limit. And let me see if I can get. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I get it on a limit. Let me see here. I want to see if we are. I wonder if they're gonna trap this guy right here. But they're probably gonna go up before they trap him. It's a strong possibility that we can go right back down to the lows, because this resistance area, when we talked about before, is definitely holding up. So I'm probably looking to take a short if they come back to this area. All right, let's see here. Come back to this area, I wouldn't mind taking a short. And if we get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm cool with that. But they have to come back soon, though. They just can't keep going. So I want to take a short right here. I think he bring it back up, but it looks like they're just going to continue to. Let's see if they're going to continue to go up. I mean, go down. Yeah, it definitely looks like they want to bring this bad boy down. Ah, boy. I definitely wanted to sell right here. We talked about this area right here. I wanted to see how the sellers react to this area. Okay, I didn't really see a good setup so far, so that's why I ain't taking anything. Let's see if I see anything right here. If we can get a decent pullback, a limit order pullback, hopefully we can get one. If we get stopped out on here, that means that for the most part, the market is going up, which is okay. I'm okay with that. I just wanted that quick sell, man. Like I wish I was in this move right here, but I would love for the market to go back up right now because this bar looks so weak. Oh man. So, all right. So it is what it is. I gotta wait. Can't be impatient. See, my thing is, right, if we hit this trend line and we go back up, now things are looking kind of iffy, because I really don't want it to hit the trend line. Okay, but we could probably definitely get a little scalp out of this. All right, there we go. So hopefully we get something out of here if we can get this market to go up a little bit. I'm looking for a scalp, but if it decides to break down, I'll probably look for more than a scalp. If it decides to break down, I'll look for more than a scalp. We'll see. Come on, baby. Fill me. Sellers are trying to creep in. Alrighty. So it looks like we might get filled on this one. We'll see. I definitely don't want to take a long right here at resistance right now. Okay, now, I don't want to be a buyer right now. I want to be a seller, because I'm seeing sellers coming in. I want these guys to give me this limit to fill real quick. All right, we got it. So I'm looking for a quick. There we go. Come on, keep going. So I want to trap these guys right here. Okay, this guy right here, I want to trap him. Right now, my thing is, I could go for a quick 1-to-1. I want to see if this is like the real deal. Let me go to my 1-minute chart. Okay, because if this is the real deal, then we can definitely get more than a quick little scalp out of this. I want these guys right here to get trapped. These guys have to get trapped right here, right? They don't have to get trapped, but I want them to get trapped. Now, after these guys get trapped, it's just going to be a, I'm trying to make sure. Let me erase this. Let me see. Because we did have a lot of buyers coming in right here. You know what? I'm probably gonna just trap. I'm gonna try to trap everybody. We'll see. So we do have sellers coming in. All right. I'm waiting for more sellers to come in. Definitely don't want to be a buyer right here at the resistance, even if it works. So that's another thing with trading. Okay, trading, these guys will make you win, right, or make you get profit doing the wrong thing. So let's say you take a long right here and it works out. You will automatically think, oh yeah, I could take a long right at resistance. Okay, because it worked out. But that's the thing. Okay, I can show you plenty of examples where it doesn't work out. So right now, even if I get stopped out, I'm okay with this. I'm 100% okay. So we have a situation where it's a possibility we can continue to go maybe back to the highs. Now, if we get stopped out on this one, okay, I definitely have to look for either a possible long or maybe fade the highs, okay? Because I got stopped out twice on longs. I mean shorts. So we're not in the water yet. We could definitely get some sellers come in right here. We could definitely get some sellers coming right here. You gotta be patient sometimes with these trades. Now, if they just keep going, it is what it is. Sellers could come in right here. Definitely sellers could come in here. Now my question is, if sellers comes in, should I go for that big move? And I'm just gonna gauge it. All right, so it looks like they are trying to push it up. We'll see. It looks like they're trying to push it up though, which is okay. So I just gotta wait to find another setup. It's one of those days that sometimes you're just trying to probe and trying to figure out, okay, what these guys are trying to do. I want to at least get out break even on this trade, minimum break even. Minimum break even. I'm hoping that they will trap these trades right here, because we could definitely trap these trades right here. If we trap these trades right here, this trade is definitely going to look very good. But this is a possibility. We definitely have a possibility where this could be the top, right? And we can literally go, at least right here to 02. We'll see. I might, like I said, now another thing is, if it finds support right here, I might get out, but I'm still holding this right now. All right, so I'm about to break even. Put it to break even. If it continues to go down, okay, this is a break even trade. Okay, this is a break even trade. So we're not gonna lose. I'm definitely not gonna lose on this one. I'm just gonna put it right at my entry, and whatever happens, happens. I want small money to trap these guys right here. Definitely want small money to trap these guys right here, but we'll see. The market is very slow right now, man. Very slow. So we'll see. One thing they could do is come back and hit me. Take my break even and come back down. They could do that too. That's a strong possibility. The only reason why I want to get out is because I don't want to lose twice on a short. Like, I could give this some breather room, and but I'm not. I will wait. So break even on that trade. I believe I did the right thing. Actually, I know I did the right thing. I just gotta just have to wait and see what these guys want to do. It's a possibility they probably forming some type of flag right here. So if that's the possibility, if that's it, then probably I take that. Alrighty. Slow day today. Definitely slow day. This is why, I'm not even trying to go heavy right now. So look at this, you know. That's why, you know, I had a feeling there's a possibility it can come right back, break even, and come right back down. But it's all good. If these guys go back down, I'm definitely not gonna be mad. Just gonna wait. Trying to, you know, I want to see what smart money wants to do. Yep, so it looks like they might go down. So let me look at my bigger time frame, and I might just take a short based on this. Let me see. Based on that 4 minute, we'll see. I'll wait. All right, I might have to take a short now. I mean, you can tell small money's coming in. Let's see. Hopefully, I don't get trapped on this one. Hopefully, this could definitely be a good short. 1-to-1. I don't think I'm looking to. I don't think nothing big out of this trade. This is a quick 1-to-1. Or we can go right back to here, which is 02. Yeah, that's the 1-to-1 anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna go to 1-to-1 if I get that. Slow day. The market is having problems around this resistance. We talked about this. Okay. So we'll see. You have resistance right here, resistance right here. It's having problems right here. Definitely having problems right here. Definitely having problems right here. But they might trap me on this one. We'll see. Okay, there we go. There we go, guys. We was finding weakness, you know, around here, but as soon as went long, you could tell. Okay, you could tell they trapping. Now, some days I will like reverse my trades. Okay. But I don't know. Right now, I don't feel like reversing my trades right now. Like some days, if I feel like, all right, but this is the real move right here, I will reverse my trade and go long. But I'm not really. I don't want to reverse my trade right now. Because it's obvious. You can see that they want to go long. Like very obvious. So sometimes I will reverse trades like this. But I'm trying to, you have to stick with your rules. It is resistance. I'm trying not to buy at resistance too much. Only if I see, buyers coming in. And right now I do see sellers coming in. So I'd rather be on the sell side right now. I'd rather be on the sell side even if I get trapped. So that means that I take a loss, follow my rules. Okay, that's the most important part. That if I take a loss, I can live with myself. Okay. Now, if I go against my rules and I take a loss, I can't live with myself. You see the difference? But this definitely looked like buyers is trying to come back in. Definitely looked like buyers is trying to come back in. I was trying to take this break right here, okay, to the downside, and we'll see. We will see. But let's say I get stopped out, my next possible, I'm definitely not gonna look to go long right away. I'm gonna definitely want these guys to go to the top, okay, and once they go to the top, I want to see how they react to that. That would be my next level. So let me see. This is 1018 and this is 1041. So we definitely been stuck around here for a long time. So it's a strong possibility that this might be a major move. So I might play this market to the downside. Okay, we might make a new low based on that. This market really, I mean, if you look at it, it's just been stuck right here. So that next breakout might be a major breakout. We'll see. Okay, so we have sellers coming in. So imagine if I took this breakout right here. Imagine if I reverse my trade. Okay. Right here. And imagine if I got stopped out right here. Let's see. I don't know if they're going to stop these guys out, but let's see. Looks like they're going to try to stop them out. Patiently waiting. Might take a little break. This stream, how long the stream is? An hour and 10 minutes. All right. Hopefully we'll be done soon. Slow day, but you know, like I said before, slow days are okay. You can still make money. It's better than working at a 9 to 5. I'll tell you that much. So this looks like sellers is trying to push this bad boy down. We just gotta wait. You know, we'll see. We'll see. We'll take a little break. Hold on. Let's see. Before I take this break, let's see what's going on here. I think I'll take a break. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see nothing going on. Might take a little break. Get something to drink, water. Okay, I'm back from my break. All right, so this is a perfect example right here. All right, the perfect example is, let's say that I took a long right here. Right, I would definitely get stopped out. I'd definitely be stopped out right here, and I would be pissed off. Right, I would say, why? You know, why I don't? Why are you not following your rules? See the difference between a retailer and someone that's, you know, doing this full time. No matter what you think, you still have to follow your rules. Okay. Now, hopefully, we won't find support right here. Okay. But even if I get stopped out, I told you, even if I get stopped out, I can live with it. Right. I can't live with doing the wrong things and getting stopped out. And once you're trading, right, once you switch that way, and once you can trade that way, I believe you can actually start to trade and you know, make more money. So yeah, it's a possibility that we can go back to the highs, right? But I'm okay with that. You know, when I took this trade, automatically I said to myself, I'm okay if I take a loss. But I tell you right now, if I was, you know, this for a little bit, I was thinking, oh, should I switch my trade? I was like, nope, I'm not gonna switch my trades. Okay, let's stick with the system. So I just gotta wait. I don't know what these guys want to do. I don't know if they want to go up, down. It doesn't matter. This looks like a nice little buy right here. Okay. The same, you know, how this looks. This right here definitely looked like it definitely looked like you know, something that was going to go up. So even if we get stopped out here, I'm glad that I didn't switch. This is how they get you. This is how they chop you up. Okay. Moves like this will chop you up. Automatically you see, oh man, a lot of buys is coming in. Let me buy. Let me just switch my position. All right. What if sellers start to come in and start to sell on you? What if? Then that means you're done. You know, you're done. Because, you know, they tricked you, thinking that, you know, you probably thought, okay, the market is going up. Let me, you know, reverse my position. And next thing you know, sellers come in, and then they stop you back out, and then you go short. So this is how most people lose their account right here. This is it, right? This is it right here. Oh, it's going up. Okay, let me buy it. Oh, it's going down. Okay, let me sell. Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going down. Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going down. Next thing you know, they down, you know, a couple grand. Just because they don't either have a system, a complete system, or they are breaking their rules. So right now it's going to take time. I see, you know, even if they go down, it's going to take some time. So I'm going to take a little break. Let's see what's going on here. All right, so let's see if some smart money wants to push this bad boy down. All right, smart money's coming back in, trying to buy us up. So let's see. Let's see if this is a trick, or, you know, because this is definitely consolidation right here. All right, and I'm telling you right now, if it breaks, it might be, you know, a big break. But, you know, even if it breaks to the top, I would, me personally, I'm not going to look for that top move. I think they want to break it down. They want to probably go down one more time. So I just gotta be patient. What a slow day. What a slow day. So this is going to be another area where it was just stuck for a good almost an hour. We're going to be stuck for an hour. You know, these guys love to play with you, play with your emotions. They make it look like it's going up, and then, you know, they slam it right back down. This is why you have to understand structure, and you just can't look at setups. Most people fall in love with setups, so they would say, "Oh man, I just want to get in just because I see a pin bar or whatever." You know, you can't get caught up with just setups. You have to get caught up with understanding the structure of the market structure. Now, the way I'm looking at this is, I want to hold this all the way down here, but I don't think the way the market is so slow, I think we will bounce off support. So I'm just going to go for a quick one-to-one. What I can do, I can wait to see how they react around here, but, this is a slow move right here, and I might be done for the day. Take this quick, just take this quick move right here. If we can get it. We'll see. See how price is playing around. There's a strong possibility we can break below here. I'm just waiting. Waiting. I'm trying to think, should I go for that big move? Because the way price is acting right now, it's just so slow. And I believe that it's just probably not going to go straight down. I think we're going to have little bumps here and there. I don't think this breakout is going to be smooth. I mean, look at this. It's coming right back. These guys know how to play with your emotions. Know how. These guys are the masters, right? These guys are masters at playing with your emotions. You know how many people probably blew their accounts right here? Right? Probably a lot of people blew their accounts. I want this area right here. The lows of this. I definitely want these lows right here, but, let me see. 825. Yep, these guys playing games. So I might have to get out if they find support right here. Let me see, make sure. I'll wait for a little bit more. Might be a slow grinder. Might be a slow grinder. We'll see. Yep. Again, smart money's playing with you right here. Taking your money again. The dumb money is going long. And they stopping out the dumb money. It's just another ending cycle. Dumb money, dumb money, dumb money, dumb money. Smart money is stopping these guys out. I want to see how it breaks these lows, but I just might just lock in profits, call it a day. It's too slow for me, man. Too slow for me. I'm gonna lock in some profits, call it a day. Let me lock in some profits right here. Okay, I'm gonna lock in some profits. Let's see how this bad boy goes. Lock in some more profits. Lock in some more. I'm out. Yeah, we can go lower, but I'm done with these guys. I ain't got time for this. Because the type of market we are in right now is just a bouncy market. Okay, so you just see this market just bouncing back and forth, right? I don't got time for that. It's a strong possibility it might come back, hit me, break even. I don't got time for that. Yeah, but we could definitely hit the lows too. But I'm done for the day. A slow day. The VIX is basically, if you look at the VIX, it's 12, and it's high 11s, 12. So you're gonna get these slow days. Hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a better day. I'm only up $140 because I'm trading light. Only trading one contract, so that's good. If I was trading 3 contracts, I would be up, I don't know, 3 times 40. I don't know what that is. Let's see, 3 times. That's 420. So that's good. Like I said, it's better than going to work. Trust me, I used to work those 12-hour shifts. Trust me, I hate those. So this beat any job. Okay, but overall, guys, I mean, you have to understand what the market is telling you. Okay, we talked about these areas right here way before price got to these areas, and overall, okay, we saw buyers coming in, but I wasn't trying to go long because we do have resistance right here. It doesn't make any sense for me. I've been doing this for long, to go long right there, because even if that long works out, guess what? I can show you nine different examples where it doesn't work out, so or don't work out. So you have to understand, just because you got away with it one time, doesn't mean you're gonna get away with it all the time. So that's what that's my thought process. You see how the market is going up right now, so that's why I got out. Okay, because I understand this type of market. Most people probably don't, because I've been trading for 12 years, so I understand what the market is doing, and I understand that most likely it's going to hit support, bounce right back up. I don't got time for that. Okay, let me get out of here. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. I'm hungry. I didn't eat all day, and I'm done. It's a slow day, so we're just gonna bounce back and forth. But most people will tell you that this is noise right here. Most people will tell you that this is noise. There's no way you can trade that. It's chop. Go to the higher time frames. Stop messing with these smaller time frames. That's because they don't know what they don't. If you don't know, you just don't know. Okay, so they don't know. Most people only look for trend setups. That's it. If you don't understand the structure of the market, you're done. Bye. Okay, this smart money will take your money. It's just what it is. But hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoy my thought process. Talk to you guys later. I'm out of here. I'm about to get something to eat. Hit that subscribe button too. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that like.